Good afternoon. S&P 100 index called the OEX. Let's take a look at the broader names in there. You have Apple in here, you got Amazon in here, you got Amgen here, MasterCard, Costco, Nike that just reported a stellar growth quarter. FedEx didn't do all that well, but these are our multinationals in here. And basically, we have lots of names in here that we like in this index, and it's been one good bull run in this particular OEX called the S&P 100. And what do we have? We have all-time highs, and we're overbought in the OEX on this monthly chart. And you can clearly see we're almost up here where the 2007 catastrophe was. The bull started back in '09 right here. And every dip was a buy, and every dip in 2011 was a buy, and every dip from overbought levels in 2012 was a buy, and the rally started in November in the OEX, and we're right up here at these major highs. This is where the 2000 big downtrend was, 1996 level on a monthly level. We had a great expansion, was 4 years. This expansion here, 2003, 2007, 4 years, and a big catastrophe and a test of those 1996 and 1997 where we started the breakout. That's what happened over here. And the bull has been reborn. And the bull is born in the OEX. And we will tell everyone that there is going to be a pullback, like always. We will take a look here just to blow this up. Now, we're going into the calendar earnings season in April. And we're going into all of these names that are the leadership name in the OEX, S&P 100 index. A lot of these are overbought, and some are in really good bear trends in here as well. It'll be a stock picker's market. One of the things that we want to cover about the S&P 100 is that we are going to take a look at the leadership stocks only. Apple's done well. We call those bottoms down there to come all the way up from 420. I can tell you that Google does well. Gilead Sciences does well in here. Some of the other big high flyers in here, the MasterCard's done extremely well. $517 now. Some of the other ones we like is Qualcomm. Buy the dips when the dips come into play. JP Morgan, well, it's done well in its rally as well. These are the S&P 100 index, and Google is the leader. Google is the leader. It's made one big move, and so we will be picking off the ones. IBM has done extremely well from the last quarter. Wells Fargo has come up and done well, but they're all overbought and they all need to have pullbacks. And some of the ones that are in here, they're based on market cap. They're the S&P 100. Okay, so we'll be looking at S&P 100. We'll be looking at the mid cap tomorrow. We'll be looking at small cap 600 as well. But we're overbought and we're going to have a correction. And we're going to be looking for only the leaders. Goldman Sachs has done extremely well. We bought $155 puts on it last week. Had $10 correction for the downside on that trade. So in the S&P 100, it's all about what? McDonald's has done well. Nike just blew the quarter out. FedEx got whacked on its, it's in the transports, but it's also a 100 stock in the S&P 100 index. So lots of buying opportunities. We're overbought. There is going to be a pullback. We will buy the dips on the good quality individual names during that earnings season that's starting next week. We're going into the April quarter, and we'll be picking them up. Overbought OEX.